How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and today I want to talk about some of the packages I use in my Atom text editor as requested by Fransisco Wijaya. So I don't use many packages, but when I do, they're pretty important. I keep my stuff nice and clean and not too chunky, so yeah, I don't use many packages, but this will be part 1. I might do more of these videos in future as I learn new stuff, as I install new packages and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, this is part 1, let's go. First one I'm going to talk about is file icons. So back in the day, I used to, and still, I watch coding videos on YouTube, and I see all these guys having really nice icons in the left side here in the directory structure. And I always thought, how do you get these things? Mine looks like this, just simple one icon, text file. One day, I went into settings and found file icons. It's got 4 million downloads, and it's amazing. Let's press enable right here, and we get all these beautiful icons in the left side. Now it looks a lot nicer, and trust me, in the back of your head, you're going to want to code that little bit extra. So it's really good to have. Next up, we have SAS autocompile. So as the name suggests, it autocompiles your SAS files when you save them. So let's go inside here and make a little change, then press Ctrl S in this SCSS file, and we get the compiled CSS file in the same directory. So this removes the need to go into the command line and pressing SAS compile, or even using the SAS watch flag. This is all handled within the editor itself, and it can speed up your development time quite a bit. Now going into the settings of this SAS autocompile package, we see we have quite a few settings here, actually quite a lot of options here to customize your output. You can do compressed files, you can choose which files to apply the compile to, and even pattern matching. So it's quite extensive and really cool. So that's that one. This next one is extremely useful. So I came from a brackets background, and then I switched to Atom. So I go inside here and I start typing out some HTML tag. I would say, okay, P. I close that off, and I was thinking, where is my ending P tag? Sometime very soon, I'm gonna, put some text in here and then close it off. But it wasn't there. Then I went into the settings, I searched for auto close HTML, I enabled it, back inside here, try again, open it up right here, boom. All of a sudden we get the whole paragraph tag, including the end tag. I'm not sure why that was there, but that's alright. We get the entire structure of this tag instantly, even with an indent. So we get an indent right here and a line break. That's perfect. It's very useful, and it's going to speed up your development time quite a bit. This next one is featured in many of my Rust videos, and that is a built-in terminal right within your Atom editor. So up here, I'm just going to say Control and then plus that tilde or tilde key. Press Control, hit that key, whatever it's called. Now we have a built-in terminal right within Atom. We can now say, Rust C and then main.rs, press enter, and it works. We can now run this program, ./main.exe, and we see this works just like a normal terminal, but it's inside Atom itself. And I think it's quite useful, definitely, and it's very essential. I reckon most editors, should try and, make this feature standard. I reckon it's very, it's like an essential thing, right? And I think it might be inspired by Code Runner for Mac, because obviously you can't get Code Runner on Windows, so having this here is very nice. Inside settings, we have the package Platformio IDE terminal. Very good. And last but not least, we have a visual built-in color picker. So inside my CSS here, I'm going to say background color, and then press Ctrl-Alt-C on my keyboard, and we get this built-in visual color picker right within Atom. I can go inside here, choose a color, and even choose my opacity or my alpha. Once we're done, we can press enter, and we get the RGBA value printed out just like that. Now you might see this feature in many of the newer IDEs, like the fully featured IDEs. So it's nice to see this thing happening in a small text editor like Atom. For the settings, you can go inside here and just search for Color Picker. It's got 1.5 million downloads. And that is all for this video. I might do a second one of these, or third or fourth one of these in future as I install more stuff and learn some new things. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.